neighborhood friends come by to visit me here. We have play dates. I love playing games with my friends. Sometimes I even play jokes on them. What's that? It's not coming from under there. The knocking isn't coming from in there either. I wonder what that knocking could be. I know! It's a visitor knocking at the door. Oh me, oh my! I wonder who's come by. Who goes there? Somebody's come over for a play date, but I can't tell who it is. Can you help me figure it out? Who's there? Let's listen. What animal sounds like that? That sounds like a bird, but not just any bird. I think it's a very smart bird that can say, "Mommy, want a cracker?" Do you know what kind of bird I mean? A parrot. Ta-da! It must be my friend Penny the parrot at the door. This is what Penny looks like. Have you flown by to visit little old me? Yes, Tillie, I have. But how did you know that I can fly? That is definitely Penny the parrot. I knew that was you, Penny. I could tell from your voice. It's nice to see you. Tillie wants a cracker. We figured it out. It was my friend Penny the parrot at the door. I'm glad you came over to play with me. Come by again. You never know who will visit next time.